Hello everyone, today in this video I am going to teach you English conversation sentences which we use in our daily life. So let's get started. You have to repeat these sentences with me. The first sentence is Ali. Hello friend, how do you do? Asim, I'm fine, thank you. Why are you looking so sad? Ali, actually I'm worried about my final examination. What about your preparation for final examination? Asim, well, I'm going on well my studies. I'm also worried about my exam. Ali, but tell me about your preparation in different subjects. Asim, you know I am weak in English. Ali, are you taking help from any special books? Asim, yes, but I study textbook very carefully. Ali, I see I must start working with the textbooks. What do you think? Asim, yes, I think it will be very helpful not only for English but also for other subjects. Ali, thank you for your good suggestion. I wish you good luck. Asim, you're most welcome, Mr. Ali. See you. Ali, alright. Asim, take care. Bye. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.